Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger and how to make it easy way. It's okay. First of all, you have to go your Play Store and make ensure that is your messenger is updated. If your messenger is updated, you can use it. So just click on messenger, next click on open. My messenger is updated. Next click on open. It's okay. Now select your any friends conversation. Then I'm going to select this one. So first of all, I'm going to show you very easy way how you can turn on it. So guys, before going to the process, I'm going to ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So just select your friends conversation. Next, at the top of the site you can find here dot option, so just click on it. Next you can find here that is Vanish mode. You can see Vanish mode right now it's off, so just make it on. You can see that is my Vanish mode. It's right now off, so I'm going to on it and it's on. It's okay. It is a very easy story and you can use it also. So right now you can see my Vanish mode, it is on. It's okay. So if you want to make it just turn off it, so just click on back button. It will be automatically turn off.